I seek divine protection from Satan's evil mind. Begin with the name of Almighty Allah, who is most jovial and kind to all the creature of cosmos. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fateh Muhammad Shariq, hailing from Nushaira in Soon Valley, which is part of district Hushab. My educational journey began at Allama Iqbal Public School and College Nushaira, where I completed my matriculation. Following that, I pursued my intermediate studies at Fauji Foundation College Nushaira. My academic path led me to the University of Sargodha, where I earned a BS Honours degree in English Literature and Linguistics. This foundation in English literature has been crucial in shaping my career and personal interest. Currently, I am serving as an English teacher at Jinnah Grammar Higher Secondary School, Nushaira. In this role, I am dedicated to imparting knowledge and fostering a love for literature among my students. My approach to teaching is deeply rooted in a passion for the English language and literature, and I strive to create an engaging and supportive learning environment for my students. In addition to my teaching career, I am also a poet and a writer. I write under the pseudonym of Shariq Aziz Mia. My literary work includes two published books, Latif Jazbe and Shamaye Firozan. Latif Jazbe was recognized and awarded by Horizon Degree and Commerce College Chakwal, which was a significant milestone for me. My second book, Shamaye Firozan, received an award from Adab Samaj Insaniyat Publications in Islamabad. This book has gained further recognition by being selected for inclusion in the world's largest library, the Library of Congress, America. Additionally, it has been chosen for the Library of International Islamic University, Islamabad, to support research work for master's and MPhil students. Throughout my educational and literary career, I have been honored with several awards and certificates, acknowledging my contributions and achievements. My dedication to both my profession and my literary pursuits has been a driving force in my life. Beyond my professional and literary achievements, I possess a range of skills that I believe are valuable. I pride myself on my excellent teaching abilities, which are complemented by my strong service focus and self-motivation. I am a decisive individual with superb communication skills and a solid command of necessary computer skills. Additionally, I am fluent in English, Urdu, and Punjabi, which allows me to connect with a diverse audience and engage in meaningful conversation across different languages. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, writing, and listening to qawwalis. These hobbies not only provide relaxation but also inspire and enrich my creative work. Furthermore, I hold significant roles in literary organizations. I am the managing director at Soon Valley Literary Society and the patron-in-chief at Al Hussain Composing and Publishing Zone, Nushaira. These positions allow me to contribute to the literary community and support fellows, writers, and poets. These positions allow me to contribute to the literary community and support fellow writers and poets. This is all my journey through education, teaching, and literature. Thank you so much.